Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use the VidIQ to grow your YouTube account all for free. Yes, what is the VidIQ? The VidIQ helps you to boost your YouTube channel, to get more views, to get more subscribers and all of that. The VidIQ is there to help you to grow your YouTube channel, to become more better, and you get all you want. The VidIQ is just like the TubeBuddy, and once you use the VidIQ, you can be able to grow your account as fast as you can. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple trick in which you can be able to do in order for you to get started and use the VidIQ all for free on your channel. All you just need to do is to stick to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be sharing with you every information or every detail in which you need to know when it comes for you to do this all for free on your channel. If it's your first time to join me on this channel, my name is Franklin. All I do is to share tips and tricks and strategy. Once they work, I share them with you, you try them, and you also get the same result. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop money making videos or good videos like this and all of that. All you just need to do is to stick to this very channel to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be sharing with you every single detail you need to know when it comes to you boosting your YouTube channel and rank higher and all of that. So the very first thing you need to do when you want to grow your YouTube channel is for you to install the VidIQ, in which is a Chrome extension. Once you install it on your laptop, it will help you in order for you to boost your channel. And for you to get started, you need to sign up either by using your Google account or you use your email account and you get started. But I'm going to be showing you a simple strategy right now in which you can be able to use. And I'm going to use a mail in which you can be able to use in order to get started all for free. And the mail I'm going to be using is what they call the temp mail. The temp mail, as you can see on my screen here, the temp mail, the tempmail.io, that's what you need to use. The tempmail.io is just like a fake mail in which you can be able to use in order for you to do this particular stuff I'm going to be sharing with you. So all you just need to do is to come to this up side here. You see the mail, the email address here, in which you need to just copy. Once you copy it, you now go back to your VidIQ and then use it to sign up. If you have multiple accounts, all you just need to do is to, after you must have used this in the registry, you come and you delete the account and then you do it for the next account that you have. So all you just need to do right now is to follow through as I'm going to be sharing with you. So right now I'm going to be copying this particular mail, as I've copied it right now. I've copied it, and the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my VidIQ in order for me to sign up. I'm going to use the sign up button. I'm not going to use the Google account. No, I'm using the sign up button in order for me to get started. So once I click on it, I'll put in the email address in which I have been able to use. I've copied right now. Then I'll put in a password in which I will not forget, and I'll use it to get started and all of that. Once I put the password, I'll click on sign up, and once I click on sign up, it will take me to the very next page where I have to now put in other information or details in which are needed. And as you can see here, it says that I should connect, or I should add my YouTube account or channel. Here it says add your YouTube channel to the VidIQ. So the next thing I'll do is just to click on this add YouTube channel. Once I click on this add YouTube channel, you can see I have a bunch of channels, so I have to choose the one that I need right now, the first one here, and then I'll click on next to approve that it's me. Then I will now go into the VidIQ right now, and as you can see right here, VidIQ says allow VidIQ to access your YouTube channel. So I will just click on allow. Once I click on allow, it will now take me to the very next page, in which I will have to confirm my email. As you can see here, they say please confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email that has been sent to you. So I have to go back and then confirm the email account that has been sent to me, and this is it. And then this is the email address, so I have to click on it to verify that it's my account. Here Then I will come to this area and then I will now confirm this email account. So I have to confirm in order for me to get started. And as you can see, I've confirmed the email address and it has taken me down to VidIQ again. Then all I have to do is to come to this particular aspect where I will see upgrade. I will click on it, and as you can see here, you see the different pricing in which you can be able to see. You see the pro aspect of the VidIQ, you see the boost plan, and you see the boost plan plus and all of that. So we are going to be focusing on this boost plan where you can be able to use it to get what you are looking for. Remember, it's all for free. All I'm going to do right now is to click on upgrade to boost, and once I click on this option, I'll have the option for me to select my payment method. Remember, you're not paying anything, but with the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you now, you see what we are going to do. So I'll click on this paying with card. Now when I click on this paying with card, you don't use the option, then go back again. You see the option where they will tell you pay with PayPal or pay with your Visa card, MasterCard or American Express. Use this particular pay with card. Don't use the PayPal. Once you use pay with card, you come down here, you will see where they wrote have a promo code. I'll say yes, I'll click on it, I'll say I have a promo code, and I'll use the promo code THINK, THINK. That is the promo code I'll be using. With that promo code, you don't have to pay for anything. So now I'll click on it and it has been approved. And as you can see, they say boost channel 1 month plan. THINK promo code gives you the opportunity to use to pay with 100% discount. 100% discount. And this THINK promo code giving you 100% discount simply means that you are not paying any particular thing on this particular channel. All you just need to do right now is to put in your card number, you put in the month, year, and the CVV, and then you get started and you register on this particular platform. Once you click on check-in, after you are putting your card detail, you will see it will automatically, without charging you anything, and you get started using the VidIQ on your channel and enjoy it for every month. So each month you are expected to come and do the same thing. All you just need to do is to go back to your temp mail. You come to this aspect where they say delete account. You delete this particular email, and then you use another email again, and then go back to the VidIQ and then sign up again, and then you get started with it. You can do that as many as you can every month, and you enjoy the VidIQ all for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to go to the comment section and type thank you. And if you are new to my channel and you have watched this video, don't forget to subscribe to this my channel and click on the notification icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop videos like this. See you on my next video. Peace.